Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing a fascinating topic: permaculture. Permaculture is a sustainable approach to designing agricultural and human habitats. We'll explore the 10 most interesting points on this topic and provide you with all the information you need to understand this ecological approach. Point 1. The origins of permaculture. Permaculture was developed in the 1970s by Bill Mollison and David Holmgren in Australia. It's a holistic approach to system design that's based on observing nature and its patterns. The principles of permaculture have since been adopted by communities around the world to create sustainable food production systems. Point 2. The principles of permaculture. Permaculture is based on 3 ethical principles: care for the earth, care for people, and fair share. It also uses design principles, such as observation, mimicking nature, utilizing diversity, and cooperation with nature. Point 3. The benefits of permaculture. Permaculture can have numerous benefits, such as producing healthy, local food, regenerating soils, and restoring natural ecosystems. It can also help reduce dependence on fossil fuels, strengthen the resilience of local communities, and promote biodiversity. Point 4. Designing permaculture gardens. Permaculture can be used to design productive and sustainable gardens. Permaculture gardens use techniques such as raised bed gardening, guild planting, and symbiotic growing. They can be adapted to different climates and are often used to produce a wide variety of foods. Point 5. Agroforestry. Agroforestry is a form of permaculture that combines tree cultivation and crop production. Trees can provide shade, protect soils, and provide habitats for wildlife. They can also produce fruits, nuts, and other woody products. Point 6. Permaculture. Animal husbandry. Permaculture can also be used to design sustainable animal husbandry systems. Animals can be raised naturally and integrated into larger agricultural systems. They can provide natural fertilizers, control weeds, and help maintain biodiversity. Point 7. Permaculture building. Permaculture can be used to design sustainable human habitats. Buildings can be designed to be energy efficient, using natural materials and harnessing solar energy. They can also be integrated into agricultural systems, providing living spaces for animals and utilizing wastewater for irrigation. Point 8. Water management in permaculture. Permaculture can help design sustainable water management systems. Techniques such as rainwater harvesting, pond and swale construction, and using water-wise plants can help reduce dependence on freshwater and minimize losses. Point 9. Composting techniques. Composting is a key permaculture technique that can transform waste into natural fertilizer. There are many composting techniques, such as pile composting, bin composting, and vermicomposting. Composting can help reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills, improve soil fertility, and reduce dependence on chemical fertilizers. Point 10. Permaculture around the world. Permaculture has been adopted by communities around the world to create sustainable agricultural and habitat systems. Permaculture projects have been developed in diverse locations such as rural Brazil, the suburbs of Melbourne, and the slums of India. Permaculture is a universal approach that can be adapted to different situations and cultures. That's it for our video on permaculture. We hope these 10 interesting points have helped you understand the principles of this ecological approach and how it can be used to create sustainable agricultural and habitat systems. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive our latest videos in advance. Thanks for watching. Pro Top 10.